today's video, I will be reviewing Outre Perfect Hairline in the style Geneva, and I got it in the color 613. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package. Didn't do anything to this unit except apply my foundation to the lace. The first thing you want to do is pull the hair away from your face so that you're able to cut the air tabs off on both sides of the lace. This step is to make sure that the wig fits properly on your head before installing the wig. Now I'm cutting my lace into 3 sections, and I'm going to work on each section separately, starting with the middle section. I went in and applied 1 layer of the Eben adhesive spray. Then I went in with my blow dryer on the cool heat setting until it was nice and tacky. Once the adhesive spray is slightly tacky, you want to go in and lay that middle section down. Then you want to apply those same exact steps to the other 2 sections of the lace. Now I'm going in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting, and this step is important to achieve that melted lace look and for a longer hold as well. I do this step for about 3 to 5 minutes with the blow dryer, and then without the blow dryer keeping the elastic band on, I keep it on for about 10 minutes, but you want to keep it on as long as you can to achieve that melted look. When it comes to cutting the lace off, I like to cut in sections, and while I'm cutting, I like to cut in a zigzag motion to give the lace a more natural look. Now that the lace is cut off, I'm going in with some spritz, and I'm applying a small amount of that spritz on top of my lace for a stronger hold. This will also help lay down areas that did not fully glue down the first time. Now I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. When it comes to blending your lace with blonde hair, you do want to be careful with the foundation. You want to make sure that you are not applying too much of the foundation to where you can see it on the hair. Now I'm going back in with the elastic band and blow dryer combo to ensure that my lace is nice and melted. For this style, I will be doing a middle part, and as you can see, this parting space runs pretty deep, which I really like. Also, you will see a slight bit of discoloration in the parting space. Don't worry about that. That is my stocking cap. I would advise going for a stocking cap that is closer to your skin complexion, or no stocking cap at all. To lay down my edges, I went in with the Outre Bee Flex Insta Hold adhesive spray. I feel like the adhesive spray gives the baby hairs a better look as opposed to using mousse. Sometimes I feel like when I use mousse, it makes the baby hairs look too flat or stuck down, if that makes sense. Instead of going in with the typical concealer to enhance my parting space, I went in with my foundation instead. When it comes to the parting space on blonde wigs, you want to make sure that the parting space is closest to your skin complexion or even a shade darker. Then I went in with a hot comb on the lowest heat setting to flatten down the foundation of this wig. Then I went in and applied a small amount of this lustrous wax stick to the front of this wig just to give it an elevated look. Now it's time to detangle the hair. When it comes to a synthetic wig, I always brush from the bottom and then work my way up to the top to prevent tangles and knots. As you can see, the hair was definitely shedding as I was brushing through it, which is pretty typical for synthetic wigs. At this point, I'm really just brushing the hair out, figuring out how I want the hair to fall in my face. And I do this until I am completely satisfied with the outcome. So here is the final look for Outre Geneva in the color 613. If I'm being honest, I was very hesitant on trying this color. It's such a bold color, especially for my skin complexion, but I like the way it came out. As far as the shine on this unit, it is a little bit more noticeable because of the color, but you can always fix that with some dry shampoo. And just a little hack, if you don't have dry shampoo at home, use baby powder. My favorite thing about this unit is the style. I love the way that this unit is curled and layered. This style is just so pretty to me. I have to get it in the color 1B or even 1, but I would really love to see this unit in a more natural color on the darker side. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.